Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, now do I look studious or what? Or do I look like a geek? Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, yes, it's giveaway time once again, people. But we're gonna do a real giveaway. We got some items we need to put together to give to you all, to thank you all for the love and the support on the channel, right? But today is all about the watch face giveaway. First of all, I gotta thank you all for the love and the support and for keeping Huck's World alive. I really, really appreciate it. Also, we gotta thank the developer, because without the developer, there would be no watch face reviews or giveaways for that matter. So we wanna thank Sam's Watch for doing this thing. He donated these watch faces out the kindness of his heart. So we want to say thank you, Sam's Watch. Definitely Sam's Watch got down on the watch faces that we're about to give away. I'm surprised we didn't get more comments on this watch face. I thought he did a really excellent job. The first one that I liked was Sam's Watch Fit C, and then you had Sam's Watch Fit C Digital. You guys like the digital, I like the analog, but both watch faces look awesome. My man really outdid himself with this one. But with that being said, let's go ahead, let's call the names out. Get you in, get you out. Don't forget, if you want your name called, you gotta hit me in my email, rawjay7@gmail.com, and a couple of people can testify that I will send you some watch faces. Cool? All right, with that being said, everybody is a winner on the channel. Let's go ahead, let's call out the names. All right, first of all, we got Jackie in the building. What's up, Jackie? And then we got my man Scott Norris, been following us for quite some time, quite like Jackie. Also, we got Jonathan in the building. Always give me a run for my money. Make me go deep to find nothing but the very best watch faces to review. We also got Usman in the building. He's been following me for quite some time. Adrian, same thing. And also we got Vince. Vince also has been here for quite some time, right? And these are the same people who normally comment all the time, and I normally always draw from the videos first, and whatever I have left over, I start sending them to people that normally comment on the channel. All right, and we also got Super Hoffman. Congratulations, Super Hoffman. He's definitely a loyal subscriber. And we got my man Flesh 710 in the building. Congratulations, my man. And also OZ Bell. OZ never fails. He always comment on all the videos for the most part. And thank you all. Thank you all again for the support of Huck's World. And with that, that's going to be it. The Monday grind is over. We made it through. Now we're on our way to hump day. All right, you all, enjoy your day and or night. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care, continue to comment, and continue to show the love. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.